channel. Please subscribe and like below. I love you guys, so I know you. If you watch my video, you're gonna click the bell and click the subscribe button. Barbie Dreamhouse YouTube for kids. If you like my video of Dreamhouse, please subscribe below. Look at this. This is their party house. There are lots of details. Barbie likes playing with her pets. Animals are doing something, so I think so. You're gonna watch our video or Barbie Dreamhouse. I love you guys, so you are gonna watch my video. You are gonna click the bell button with me, with sister and everybody. I see 1172 came in to pick up their order. I should get it ready. Hi, Barbie. Here is your order. I have some substitutions, but I see that you have accepted them, so I will bring it to your car. Oh, I should tell my customer that these bags are not free because they are charging for a bag and there is a bag fee for recycled items. Again, hi Barbie. I'm almost done. Prepared your order and ready to go. Since I'm done with my customer and my shift has ended, I will go home now. Bye kids. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.